Alright, hello again. This is Dan Qualley. It's February 15th, and I've got my generator up and running, hooked up to a multimeter, and now at this speed it's doing around 1.7 volts AC. And of course it only goes so fast because of the type of motor I have hooked up here. I can speed it up by spinning it a little faster. I'm going to show you that the voltage goes up with speed. I'm going to slow it down because I stopped spinning it there. And alright, let's show you what it does on the amperage at that speed here. And we're getting about 46.3 milliamps, 6.5, something like that. And again, if we, it's speeding up too, and I'm letting more current go through. I'm pushing it a little faster now, just to make more current, increasing the output a little bit. Alright, now about 47 or so milliamps. Now let's hook up our transformer again. Let's power up the LEDs. This time I have 200 LEDs arranged here on some breadboards. Now we're stepping up the voltage on this transformer, 12 volt 120 volt transformer, 1.2 amps from Radio Shack. Now let's turn that back. Turn on the speed indicator. Let's turn off our floodlight. We're not in total darkness, we're just cutting down the lighting a little bit. Now we're lighting up 200 LEDs here. There are 100 clear white LEDs and 50 frosty white LEDs, 50 blue LEDs clear, and about half of them are oriented in opposite polarity to the other half. So we're running AC, that's why you see them flicker, because these are basically, a diode is a DC thing. Conducts current one direction, so it's only on half the time, because this is an AC generator. Now I could rectify it with a rectifier, and then I could get about half of these lit up. Well, anyway, let's just show you that we are getting current. I'm not sure about how accurate that meter is. I just can't imagine how I can light all these LEDs up with 47 milliamps. So maybe the meter isn't all that accurate when reading these kind of pulses, this kind of speed. Alright. The blue ones seem to light up the brightest. These are close, the voltages of these are close. I'm not sure exactly what the exact voltage is on these. Bought them on the internet, on eBay. That's a cheap way to buy them. Well, Let's see. Well, that's it for today, I think. Showing you lots of output. I'll turn the light back on. And still, I'm working on placing the motor with this. I'll place the end here. This couple of magnets, a brass rod, and one coil. It's going to be a Newman type motor. Hopefully it'll work. Try it out and see. Next video, maybe. They are LEDs again. Thanks a lot. And in case you're wondering, if you haven't been told before, the magnets, the ring magnets on the opposite ends of this generator are arranged so that they repel each other, not so they attract. That's a big difference. It's necessary to avoid Lenz's law that you do this. If you put them on attraction mode, it is a different type of generator altogether. And some people, I won't name names, initials AF, they're out there. If you know who that is, he's claiming that I ripped off his design. Well, I never knew about him until after I posted a video on this, and it's totally unlike his stuff that I've seen. And funny how he gave away his design to humanity, and now he wants it back apparently. All right, there we go. Thanks a lot.